Hey guys, a little bit different video here. Getting sidetracked again, like the pizza video. My wife grabbed a free headboard off of like Craigslist or something like that for a twin mattress that we had. But when she got it home and stuff, it didn't fit right. She didn't like it, and it was ridiculously heavy because it's just really cheap, that compressed wood. But so she was gonna get rid of it, and I looked at it, I'm like, ooh, and I saw something out of it. So let me show you what we have here. So basically, it didn't look like this. It was an actual headboard. I've cut it apart, and after doing so, I thought I should have made a little video out of this. It's just an example of how you can take something that's probably going to end up in the trash because it was sitting on Craigslist for a long time, nobody wanted it, and make something out of it. So if you can kind of picture the headboard together, these ends were out farther like this, and this piece was in between as like a decorative piece. This end over here was slid out more. Half the headboard is missing because I have since cut it up, obviously, but it had this same thing over here on this side, and in the middle, and I don't have that piece right now, it's not here, but in the middle was like this little decorative like seashell type looking thing. So I actually cut it out as a square, and I painted it like an aqua blue and stuff like that, and it's hanging on a wall. It's actually it made a perfect little wall hanging as like a seashell type picture. But what I'm gonna do, we're gonna take this piece right here, we're gonna make that into a flag. I was looking at it, and this is untouched piece, how it came out of the headboard. It literally fit into these slots right here. So we took it apart, slid it out, and I looked, there's 13 rows here, right? What has this shape and 13 rows? A flag, an American flag. So what I'm gonna do is make a flag out of this. As you can see, the bottom row and the top row are actually slightly wider than all these in between. So I'm gonna throw it on the table saw, first step, and get these down so they're all equal in size. And then it's a matter of putting out the square right here, fitting the stars in it. And really, since it's white, I don't even have to paint the white stripes. I really just need to put the red in, and then the blue overlay. I haven't figured out how I'm going to do the stars yet. I got to somehow make them look nice, and I'm just going to have a template where I can spray blue on it. But I looked at this headboard, and I got two pieces out of it. I'm going to get a flag out of it, and I got this little decorative, like, I don't know, it's probably 10 inches by 8 inches seashell looking thing. That looks really nice now that I added some blue coloring to it, like a whitewash type thing with the white that already was on it. So like I said, all the rest of this is trash, and this wood is horrible. It's so heavy because you can't really see. It's just this compressed, like, it's not even particle board, it's like cardboard. It's like pulp. It's super heavy. And it's just not, it doesn't take, it's not friendly with water and stuff. But I don't even know what I'm going to do with this thing, but I just saw this and like, let's make a flag instead of throwing it out. So next step is hitting it on the table saw and getting that done. All right.